Welcome back, editors. Today in this video, I will teach you how to make this type of motion background using Alight Motion. If you like it, give it a like. If you new, do subscribe. Let's start the tutorial. First, open Alight Motion and create a new blank project. Now tap on the plus icon and add a rectangle shape. Click on the three dots and fill the rectangle into the full composition area. Next, go to Color and Fill. Select the gradient option and adjust it the way I'm doing. After that, go to the Color section and choose any color you like. Now add another rectangle and fill it to the full composition area as well. Go to the Effects panel. Click on Add Effect and add the Copy Background effect. Once again, click on Add Effect and add the Simple Starfield effect. Open its settings and add 2 keyframes. Set the position value to 0 at the first keyframe and set it to 500 at the second keyframe. Increase the size to 0.200. Set the feather to 2.4 and increase the amount to 29. After this, go back to Effects and add Directional Blur. Set the blur strength to 0.03. And that's it. Your smooth animated background is ready. Finally, export the clip and make your video more engaging. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more editing hacks and creative tips. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.